Hello, my name is Eleonora Burei, and I'm really happy to be participating in this competition. I think it's really nice that students can share their ideas of what might happen in the future after this coronavirus pandemic. My essay is based on a historical context, so I'm predicting and expressing my ideas of what might happen in the future after this pandemic. What I talk about in this essay is that how across history we see epidemics go on and it's a vicious cycle that just goes on and on and on. But they appear, they spread and they kill people, and it goes on, as we can see it made epidemics like the Black Death and the Spanish flu. And I talk about how overpopulation, how the population increasing, and how the demand for more research because of the increase in the population will spur more epidemics, because as people get closer to each other, it's easier for diseases to transmit. And also we need more resources for the vast number of people. There will be more factories where animals are tied closer to each other, and that will make it easier for the transmission of a disease from animal to human. So that will likely spur more epidemics because of those more factories in smaller sizes with animals stuck to each other. And the same case goes for wildlife markets, and how in the future, since our technology might be so advanced, if I cross the Pacific Ocean, it'll probably be in 2 hours instead of 14 hours nowadays. We don't know, but this will help to for viruses and diseases to spread quicker. In general, when people are closer to each other, because there's limited space of this overpopulation, and because of the technology we might have in the future, and how we will be able to transport cells from A to B in a quicker time, this will allow the disease to spread quicker and also easier as we're closer to each other and more interconnected, and how these factories in smaller sizes are pushing these animals together. And this future seems very pessimistic in one point of view. In this essay, I talk about some solutions like controlling the rates of growth in the population, building more environmental friendly farm factories for animals, controlling wildlife trafficking, and improving medicine and those kind of areas of science. I hope that you enjoy reading my essay, and bye.